welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a 3-look tutorial using one palette, and you guys probably already know what it is because of the thumbnail. Using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So I created 3 looks, maybe not as, easy to me, easy, but 3 looks using this palette. All the looks are without any winged liner or eyeliner except for this one, or the other 2 I should say don't have falsies, but this one does. Obviously you can always add falsies, winged liner, whatever you prefer. Me personally don't use really winged liner anymore, but also because I was also doing all the 3 looks on the same day, so that's why I do it that way. The last look normally has lashes, so you can see what the looks look like with lashes, or at least one of them. Anyways, if you guys want to see the 3 looks that I created using only this palette, then just stick around and keep on watching.
Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to be using the Morphe x James Charles palette, and to start off with, we're going to go ahead and use my NYX Eye Shadow base in the shade Nude, because he did recommend to use something of that sort. To set that in, we're going to go ahead and use the shade Canvas here, and I am going to be using my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Master Eyes eyeshadow palette, or eyeshadow set, because I know it's still available. Now we're going to go in with the shade code James, and I did notice that with these eyeshadows it's better to go ahead and pat them in and then blend out. I've never really had to do that before, so it was an adjustment. Now taking 10% off, we're going to go ahead and put that right into the crease, and again patting and then blending. Now we're going to go in with no beams, and we're just going to deepen that outer corner, blending it right into the crease, trying to just deepen it up and make it pretty looking. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease, and we're going to take the shade So Good, and we're going to go ahead and pat this on and kind of just drag it up into the crease, basically just cutting it, as I said. Really pretty color, so pretty. Here I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow. You can use baby wipes, you can use makeup wipes, anything you have. I use my fingers. I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to kind of try to diffuse the little harshness that we had going on up there and kind of try to blend it in. Now I'm going to take Love That. I'm going to place that into the outer corner, kind of blending into the crease, just because I felt like the look was looking a little fall-esque, and that's not what I wanted. For the brow bow, I'm going to use Ring Light. Oh, this color is so pretty. Look at that shine though. Now we're just going to apply the rest of our makeup and we're done. Let's go ahead and continue with the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take all the same shades that you did use for the eyes and smoke out that lower lash line. For the inner corner highlight, I am using Ring Light again. I just forgot to show it there. I'm just going to go ahead and curl our lashes, apply some mascara. The mascara I used was from Flower Beauty. I'll leave it in the description box below for you guys. And that completes look 1.
Right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you want to.
Alright, now for look 2. So I went ahead and prepped my eyes already, so we're going to go ahead and just get into it. I'm going to take Punch Me, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade, again, as we're going to pat it in and then blend out. Now for my crease shade, I'm taking Mary here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right into the crease. Oh, I love this color, it's so pretty. Then we're going to go ahead and take Skip. Look at that pigment though, and this one we're going to apply right into the outer corner and kind of blend that into Mary. So pretty. Now we're going to take Sister, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. We're going to go ahead and build it up because it is a pretty light shade, but it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love. Now we're going to take Literally, and we're going to apply that into that outer towards the middle of the lid, kind of blending the 2 in together, and then going back in with that beautiful pink shade and blending it into the outer corner. Taking Pinkity Drinkity, we're going to go ahead and highlight the brow bow. And then we're going to finish our makeup. Magic. Now we're going to go ahead and take the same exact shades just as before, and we're going to use those to smoke out the lower lash line. You guys don't have to smoke out your lower lash line if you don't want to, but I always have to, so I do. And again, just curling and some mascara. Okay, beauties, now for look 3. We're going to go ahead and get started with Pinkity Drinkity. And we're going to use this as our transition shade. We're going to go ahead again, patting and then blending. Next, we're going to use Single. We're going to use a blending brush at first, and I'm going to be doing a halo eye. So we're applying this both in the outer corner and inner corners to the eye, leaving the middle bare. Then I'm going to use a flat brush to intensify the colors where needed. Then I'm going to take Artistry and Hello, and I'm going to place these in the center of the lids here. I do have to use a setting spray with Artistry because it just wasn't packing how I wanted it to. But when I put Hello on top, oh my god, I die. It's so beautiful. To go ahead and highlight the brow bone, I'm going to use Sister to go look at it because it looks so pretty. Now we're going to go ahead and do the face. Yes, and then we're going to continue. We're just going to do the same thing as the other 2 looks. We're just going to use the same shades that I used to smoke out that lower lash line. Again, you guys don't have to do this. I just always feel like I have to. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to use this highlight from NYX. It's a dual chrome highlight. I thought it would fit the look pretty good. I'll go ahead and leave that in the description box below for you guys. For this look, I am going to place some lashes. I'm going to go ahead and curl and apply some mascara. And now for the lashes, I'm using the Cosmic Beauty Boundless, I think it's called, lashes. They're so pretty. And this basically completes look 3. Alright beauties, that's all for this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.
Taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, talked to me, shook